Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you for being here today. We are group 5 and we're gonna to talk to you about illegal hunting of animal. And our topic today is illegal hunting of shark. And I'm not alone here. I'm with my friends. There are Augita Pridila Utari, Oka Buntara, Novia Salsabila, and Serli Puspitasari. Keep watching. And the table content of this topic are definition and factor of illegal hunting, shark extinction and its causes, preventing and handling of the problem, and the last is conclusion. The first table content of this topic is definition and factor of illegal hunting of animal. And the definition of illegal hunting of animal or animal poaching is when an animal is killed illegally. Poaching is the illegal hunting, capturing, and often killing of wild animals. Poaching, however, is not only about the killing of endangered animals or protected animals, but any unlawful killing of an animal. And then the factors of illegal hunting of animal. First, lax and broken regulation system. Poaching in recent time has increased due to the existence of wildlife protection regulation that can be circumvented. The second is highly priced and valued animal parts, products, and pets. The illegal wildlife market is a multi-billion-dollar industry, and for this reason, there are cartels and top government as well as wildlife regulation officials that benefit from the trade illegal. And the third is unproven religious, aphrodisiac, and medical values. Some animals hunted have been hunted for religious purposes and religious ceremonial objects like the hooves, tails, skin, feathers, heads, feet, horns, and ivory, and so on. The fourth factor is food and exotic dishes for the elite. Some wild animals like zebras, lions, elephants, gazelles, hippos, giraffe, and snakes are killed for their meat, the traditionally referred to as bush meat. And the fifth factor is organized criminal networks. Some wildlife animals are prey to criminal networks linked to human trafficking, money laundering, and drug cartels. And the sixth factor is habitat loss, lodging, and expansion of human settlement areas. The total human population grows larger by the day, forcing people to invade land set out for wild animals. In the process, animals are killed so that people can grow their cities, develop roads, settle, and practice agriculture.
Shark extinction and its causes. The point one, China and Hong Kong as the main important countries for the shark fin services of culture. The point two, the skin and liver oil of shark can be used as medicine. Point is, in shark cartilage, a lot of natural nutrients. There are no heavy metal elements such as zinc. 5 types of protein are took the power of conquer cancer cell. Next point is shark skin can be cooked and used for handcraft, considered high value. For meat and European and US seafood market and for sashimi in Asia.
Then about impact of illegal hunting shark. Sharks are fish that can control marine animal populations in the food chain. This is because sharks are the top predators that can prey on injured or sick animals and animals in weak condition, so they can clean the sea. The presence of shark populations can also control marine animal populations in the food chain, protect marine ecosystem, and maintain fish abundance, and ensure the health of marine ecosystem is maintained. However, if the exploitation of sharks continues, the balance of the ecosystem will be threatened and could have a negative impact on food security or protein sources in Indonesian waters. In the Atlantic, a decline in 11 species of sharks resulted in a tenfold increase in the population of 12 types of stingray. Stingray are predators of shellfish or bivalves. Increasing stingray populations causes a decrease in bivalves. Loss of bivalves increases the turbidity level of the water. Increasing the level of water turbidity causes the photosynthetic ability of seagrass to decrease. The decrease in the number of seagrass causes the fish to either disappear or not survive.
I'm gonna talking about prevention and handling of the sharks extinction problem. There are 5 ways to help save sharks. First, learn as much as you can about sharks. The most important thing you can do to help sharks is to learn about the different sharks of the world, their habitats and behavior. Then learn how different human activities put them in jeopardy and which species of sharks are most threatened. By educating yourself on the issues, you can find effective ways to help. You can also help teach others about sharks and inspire them to get involved as well. Second, don't use shark products. Obviously, a great place to start is by not consuming any shark meat. However, there are more products than just shark meat on the market. Shark cartilage and oils are found in a range of products from beauty items to healthy nutrition. So, before consuming any product, make sure it doesn't use any shark materials. By boycotting shark products, you will reduce market demand, causing companies to stop killing sharks to make these products. Third, donate and volunteer with shark conservation organizations. There are hundreds of wonderful organizations that work tirelessly on shark conservation efforts. Shark conservation organizations fight to educate people, stop the slaughter of sharks, and write and support legislation that protects conservation zones. So, if you have some spare time or money, you can donate to a shark conservation group. 4. Speak out when you see abuse. If you live near the oceans or are just on vacation, if you see someone abusing sharks, just speak out. Whether they are poking and prodding them or illegally hunting them, tell the authorities what you've seen. Most beaches have protections for the local marine species, so if someone is mistreating a shark, you can help defend the shark by reporting the action. And the last one is spread awareness on social media. So social media is a powerful tool to spread awareness about sharks and shark conservation. So the next time you read an interesting article or blog post about sharks, just share it with your network.
So, the conclusion of our materials today is sharks have an important role in maintaining the balance of the marine ecosystem. Therefore, the existence of sharks in the oceans needs to be preserved. We can preventing and handling the sharks extinction by learn about sharks, not use sharks products, donate and volunteer in sharks conservation organization, speak up when see abuse, and spread awareness of sharks extinction on social media. Well, I think this is the end of our presentation. I hope can be useful for you. And thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.